Hi, in this video we will see how to scrape data from Google Maps with the place detail and also the reviews. First, sign up for free at serpapi.com. After activating your account from your dashboard, you can copy your API key, then create a new .env file to store this key like this. For the main program, we will create an empty main.py file. Moving to the terminal or command prompt, we need to install two packages. First, python.env, and second, SerpApi library itself. Back to our text editor, we import the OS module to read the env file, as well as load the package, and then we assign a new variable called API key to get our API key from the env file itself. Next, import the SerpApi library, then create a new client from SerpApi instance using serpapi.client, and then assign the API key as parameter. Now we can start to use the search method with these parameters. First, the engine, which is Google Maps, and then we define the type as search, and then the keyword we want to search for. In this example, I use pizza, but feel free to change it anything you want. And let's print the results. In your terminal or command line, you can run the program and then see the results right here. When using Google Maps, you might want to specify the location. With Google Maps API from SerpApi, you can define the specific location with the LL parameter, where you have to add the latitude and the longitude. You can get this lat and long information by using any free online tool. For example, I'm looking for New York here, and I can get the latitude and longitude here, which I can then pass in the LL parameter in my search method with this number. Don't forget the third value, which is the zoom value. It ranges from 3, which is completely zoom out, up to 21, which is completely zoom in. Now I'll try to run the program again and see that now we can get a list of pizza from New York. The other alternative, when you are not using lat and long, you can also specify the area in your keyword. For example, not just city, but also more narrow area, like in Wall Street, for example. Here, as you can see, I can get the list of pizza from Wall Street area. You can use in or near here. By default, the local results it returned is 20. We can easily paginate these results by increase the start parameter, which is default to 0. We can increase it by 20. And to use the pagination, we need to activate or use the LL parameter first before start using the pagination. Here is example for the second page, for the third page, and so on. Just remember that the recommended number for the start parameter is 100, which represents the page 6 of the Google Maps result. From the local results in our JSON response, we can see some information for a certain place. But we can get more detailed information by using the place ID here. So we'll make another request, but this time we will specify the place ID. Now let's run this program again. This time, when we run this program, we will get the single place result instead of the array of all the local results for this specific place. So here we can get more detail, like the rating summary, order online link, many extensions, the open hours, thumbnail images, and more. And actually, since we are using a place ID here, we won't need the other parameter like the LL and query, since we only want to look for the specific place here. Let's try to run this program again, make sure everything runs. Yep, everything works fine without this parameter. And just for your information, that we can also get the full Google Maps URL from the search metadata Google Maps URL here, which will bring us to this specific place in the Google Maps. Using the place ID parameter, we can also get the summary of the user review and the most relevant one. But actually, SerpApi has Google Maps reviews API separately. So now I will change from the Google Maps to Google Maps reviews and delete the rest of irrelevant data like this. Try to run the program. Ta-da! Now we have list of the detailed reviews here, including the snippet, image, and the user data who reviews the place. We can sort these reviews by quality score, the most recent one, the highest rating, or the lowest rating. Let's see if we want to use the rating high here, or we sort it from the highest rating. We run the program, and now the reviews are sorted by the highest rating first. And since there could be many reviews on a single place, we could use this next page token parameter that we get on each request and use it for the next request. If you scroll down to the end of the results, we have from the SerpApi pagination next here, and we can use the next page token like this. So now upon running the program again, I'll get another list of reviews and of course another or refresh next page token, which will be used for the second, third page and so on. So if you want to get list of the reviews, you need to run a loop statement here, and as long as there is a next page token, we can keep scraping the reviews as well.